Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I will show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. Guys, if you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you spicy hairs with gray color and other colors. Guys, this is very informative video. Please watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut or hair dye. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, please watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And after watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you guys. Thank you guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and share them with your family members and friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Please like and subscribe my channel.